Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and greetings. Um, today, I want to make a presentation about case study operating system. First thing first, I will start with my name. My name is Putri Kuzairin binti Asmadi. My number matric is 25 DIT 24 F2066. So I will explain the case study question. So number one is explain at least 5 key features for both of Android and iOS operating system. So this is I will show the example, the phone. So this is the Android phone. So the Android key features have five, which is for file management. The Android offer open a file system that manage in phone and also in external storage and easy to file transfers using universal USB or other pairing like Bluetooth or other than helping software like Google or cloud service. Number two is multiply user account. The name of Android, so public operating system for any Android phone. They also support guest mode or multiply user profile, ideal for share school device. Number three is availability. For some updates and additional downloads on your phone, you'll get benefit, which is no need pay any money to get the application. All for free. For the example, Google Play. Number four is customization. Android allow fully free anytime, anywhere, such as home screen, widgets, icon, and other apps in system phone and function for study flexibility to personal device. Which is they can Android can service 20 can change the widget icons. Uh, maybe the same like iOS, but the tip this but how Android change is more fastly than iOS. And then the lastly for Android, device variety and price range. Available on a wide range of device at different price points, making it more accessible for budget constraints. Next one, I will explain about iOS key features. So iOS key features also have five. Number one is security and privacy. Security and privacy, Apple provides offer strong and high quality and more advanced security features like app sandboxing, data encryption, and strict app store, which reduce malware risk. Number two, seamless ecosystem. They build service with own Apple service, which is iCloud, iMessage, AirDrop, Handoff, and personal hotspot. Um, And other than that, they provide a smooth performance for only Apple users only. Number three, consistent user interface. iOS are interface for Apple users and device. Apple users and also for device that include Apple only. They're also user friendly to student and teacher or other users. Like some for office and other than that. Number four, longer software support. The performance is better than Android because I'm a iOS user. The longer software support because the how the iOS fix the bugs about the how long how the direction the updates is too fast, better than Android because Android right now is I think Android 10 or an Android updates version, but iOS already like right now is iOS 18. No, iOS 7, like that software like that. So last lastly longer software support. Apple also support their longer software 2 until 6 years, such as their software update design, update performance for their improve some bugs. So number five is education tools integration. Native apps like Apple School Manager, Classroom app, and powerful accessibility tools make iOS well suited for education. That's all.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Syahira Afika binti Raizat. My number meeting is 25 DIT24 F257. So I want to explain 5 criteria of Android and iOS operating system recurring to the school environment. So we got a 5 criteria iOS, which is device affordability, generally more expensive than Android, which may limit accessibility in budget constrained school. Okay, number 2, we got device management. User Apple School Manage NMDM tool. It also providing robust management and the setup can be more complex. Okay, number 3 is customizability. It's more recited customization. For example, idea for standard design used by flexible. Number 4 is security and privacy. Known for strong privacy and security measures and very suitable for protecting student data. Okay, which is last, iOS app available for education, offer a wide range of high quality educational apps with better optimization. For Android first 5 criteria Android is device affordability, is offer a wide range of devices at various price point and is also budget friendly for school. Okay, 2, device management. Android support Google Workspace for education and also allow easy remote device and user management. Number 3 is customizability. Highly customizable. For example, school can modify user expensive and setting more friendly. Number 4 is security and privacy. Android security vary by manufacturers and generally secure, but many extra configuration. The last, number 5 is app available for education. Android has a vast selection of educational apps.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Alia Mani Minta Azhar. My matrix number is 25DIT24 F2036. I'm going to talk about 2 smartphones available in the market with supportive information in order to help management of high school to choose the best device for their students. Smartphone 1, we have iOS, brand Apple. Model is iPhone 14 Plus Blue. Performance is very fast, excellent for multitasking and study apps. Security, Face ID for secure access. Storage, 128 GB, can upgrade to 256 and 512. The price is high cost. The second smartphone is Android. The brand is Samsung Galaxy. Model Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. Performance fast, reliable for all school activities. The security, they have face and fingerprint unlock options. The storage is 256 GB. The price is lower than iOS and budget friendly. That's all for me. Thank you.